Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Divya Madan. I'm currently working as a third year resident in Pediatric Medicine Department of SMS Medical Hospital, Jaipur. This video is for those who are preparing for Neet PG 2023, that is in March next year 2023, and there is less than 100 days left for the exam. So this video is for the revision strategy. Many of you have given the INICT exam this November, and you must have realized by this time that how much revision matters in the last leg, right? Most of the questions in the session 1 were the direct repeat questions in fact, and same will go for Neet PG exam as well. You will find a lot of repeat questions, you will find a lot of repeat topics, right? So it's very important to revise in these last 90 to 100 days, because it's your revision only that will make you set apart from others, make you a step closer to your goal, right? So let me just tell you some of the strategies that I use in my time and what were the mistakes that I committed. For starters, if I'll tell you my ranks. My rank in INICT November 2019 at my time was 900, and Neet PG the next year in January, Neet PG 2020 was 1400. That was my All India ranks, and I got pediatrics here in SMS through All India Counseling. So looking forward to the ranks, they are similar ranks. There was no much growth and not much depreciation, I would say, because I didn't do something amazing. I didn't realize that I am doing something wrong here and there and didn't work on it. So first of all, there is an outline what all you should keep in your mind during this preparation, right? First of all, focus on your notes. Focus on the material that you have already studied. No new notes, no new material, no new videos, right? And even if you're planning to watch any new video, only revision videos and recall videos of previous year questions, right? The second point that I want to highlight here is making your 20th notebook or highlighting the points in your original notes that you want to revise in the last 10 days, right? If you're someone who has not yet prepared the 20th notebook or has trouble consolidating your topics and making your big chunk of notes into a small snippet, then you can refer to all the pre-made question banks and pre-made previous year question topics list and make a snapshot like this, right? Which I'm going to show you in the next clip. For example, this is a snapshot for neuroanatomy questions. Neuroanatomy is a really high-yield subject, high-yield topic, and a lot of questions are repeated every year in Neet PG as well as in INICT. So make the question or similar question or topic and write an explanation about it. And during your revision, just revise all those questions that are important, right? This way you can use this material as your 20th notebook also. Around 90 to 100 days left in your exam right now, and during these 90 to 100 days, have a clear-cut plan in your mind that you have to revise 3 times. First revision, it can be around 30 to 40 days. The second revision around 20 days. The third revision again 20 days. So 30 plus 20 plus 20 comes around to be around 70 days. And the last 15 to 20 days would be your last revision, last leg of revision, right? So these are the days where how you should plan everything in your mind. By now you must have realized that this is my weak subject, this is my strong subject, right? So keep in mind that you have to keep your weak subjects close to you. For me, my weaker subject was pharmacology, because I used to forget the drugs, their side effects and whatnot. And I realized that I need to study pharma every day. So I used to revise one topic every day along with my other subjects, right? Don't worry about your big subjects like medicine and surgery, because you cannot revise them cover to cover every time. You will have to read here and there, and don't focus 100% when it comes to big subjects like medicine and surgery. Divide your subjects into chunks. The ones that you know very well, that need only brushing up, the ones that you know that your weak subjects are, that is the other extreme that you need to revise almost daily, and the middle ones are the high yielding subjects, but you need to keep them in your mind that yes, in the last leg I need to focus on these, right? So here's a glimpse, here's a chart that you need to follow. General scheme. First of all, you have to target 10 to 12 hours of study per day at this point of time, right? And on bad days, 9 hours, but not less than that. You have to be really consistent about it and plan your day. Each and every day should be planned. Revise for at least 1 to 2 hours a day, right? That means every time you're going to revise each and every subject, devote at least 1 hour to that subject, 1 to 2 hours per subject, and study theory through your revision notes for 4 to 6 hours, right? 4 to 6 hours you have to go through that notes, and 1 to 2 hours for the again that revision, right? So per day you will have two revision sessions, one big revision session, that is the core revision session, and other 1 to 2 hours is just consolidating all everything that you have read in that day, right? Then coming on to MCQs, focus on previous year questions only during this time and try to solve as many GTs as possible. Make sure that you give GTs during this point of time because you have to simulate the real exam. For this, now you have to connect the subjects because you have read all the subjects, right? Now you have to integrate all the things and revise effectively. So for example, reading path, pharma and micro does most of your medicine, right? So connect all these subjects, basic subjects, with your big subjects. When you're studying anatomy, revise surgery as well, right? Surgery and obs gynae as well. Coming on to GTs, how many GTs you should give? Every week give at least one GT, right? And as the exam is coming closer, make it 2 GTs per week. And giving GTs is not just enough. You have to analyze all your mistakes and all your weak topics and all the questions that you repeatedly mark wrong, right? And that's how you plan all your days ahead. Make a scheme in your mind that yes, these are my weak subjects that I need to work on, these are my strong subjects, these are something that are in between and I need to brush up them in the last days, and divide your days and subjects in that manner. Lastly, I want to wish all the best for the upcoming NEET PG exam. I hope all your hard work pays off and you meet us on the other side in residency and have a great time learning. Okay, bye bye. See you next time in another video.